Hi everyone, welcome to my new YouTube channel, The Thrill of the Thrift. My name's Deidre and I'm almost 55 years old. I have been thrifting for probably the last year and a half, 2 years. Love garage sales, estate sales, where else do I go? Salvation Army, the Goodwill, Savers. And I look for a lot of milk glass because that's one of my favorite things to collect. And I look for things that I could use in decorating my home. Farmhouse is my decor these days. Love the rustic look of farmhouse, and it's so cozy. So I'm always on the lookout for those type of things. I like to look for really good silk flowers. You would not believe some of the silk flowers that I find at the Goodwill and Salvation Army that are probably from Hobby Lobby, and I get them for a steal. And I reuse them in my crafts. I do DIYs, I do crafts, I do floral arranging. I do a little bit of everything. So you'll see me upcycle things that I thrift. Most of the stuff I keep. Some of it I sell. I've bought furniture and upcycled it, redid it, and sold it. I really need a bigger house though because I'm running out of room. So I just wanted to welcome everyone to my channel and let you know what I'm going to be doing. And within the next couple of days, I'm actually going to do a haul for you of some, oh my God, a ton of milk glass that I found in Wilson, New York. I went this weekend on Memorial Day, actually, to a huge flea market. And boy, did I clean house on the milk glass. But I did get a few other items too and some clothing. So I will see you in my next video. Take care. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks, everyone.